Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am back here in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of June 23rd through the 29th, and I'll be decorating with some washi from the Washi Tape Shop. I will list the name of this collection down below because I cannot remember for the life of me what this is called, and I took all the labels off, so I am of no help right now. Let's get started. So before I even do that, let's go ahead and white this out. Ta-da! All right, power of editing. Okay, so I'm going to place this big washi sticker down here, and I am doing that without exactly knowing how much space I'm going to need just in that little corner. So I'm taking a risk here, but I might as well. And I should have done the whiteout on that, but you know. All right, now, before I do anything else, I'm jumping around here, but I'm going to go ahead and use my Pilot Vanishing Point. This has an extra fine nib that's been tuned and smoothed by Kirkspear himself. And this has Pilot Iroshizuku Take Sumi. And this has become my planner pen. And I never thought I would have a pen just for using in my planners, but I love this pen so much for its fine line that I now find an excuse to just keep this up or keep this inked all the time. Okay, now that I did that, I can add these. Oops, I think I want to add them down here. Oh, that looks cute. And add the other one here, right next to it. Whoops. Oh, I remember the days before I used a set of tweezers for picking up stickers. Before I was like, no, people are being extra. No, people are not being extra. They're an amazing tool. Okay, now that I'm looking at this, I feel like these stickers are quite wide for what I want to use them for. Okay, it might work. It might work if I limit the ones in the middle to the smaller one so I can fit two in here. We will see. Yeah, okay. I'm making a decision. Might be the wrong one, but I'm making it. Place this here. And then place this one. Or this one. I like this one. Right here. So that I have the room for all of the things that I need. Now that still leaves me with quite a few of these stickers, but I will use them in the back portion of my weeks. All right, so let's see. Let's find a pen that will match all of this. I'm thinking I did a quick currently inked on a piece of paper, and Purgatorio won't match. I might use that Diamond Blue Peppermint just for the headers and the schedule, just to bring out a little bit of the blue. So what is going to go up here? I might rearrange things a little bit just based on spacing, because I might be able to put, so like for example, I'm looking at my workouts. My workouts need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes across. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just barely. But workouts can go here. Habits need a bit longer, and sleep probably needs that. So let's do some rearranging here. And this is my Franklin Christoph model 30, no, model 2. Oh my gosh, model 3. I need to look this up. I really should stop filming these right after work because my brain is pretty much spent. And trying to remember facts like what pen I'm using or what model pen I'm using even. So this is, oh my gosh, model 2. It's a model 2. Okay. And this has a Kadachi grind. Sleep. Oh, and it has Diamine Blue Peppermint in here. 6, 5, 4, 3. Now, my sleep scores recently have actually been doing well. I've been getting in the 80s, a couple of high 70s, and the score is based on Fitbit's sleep score. So take that with a grain of salt. But the more that I've listened to that book, The New Menopause, I am looking forward to all of the sleep disturbances in the future. That is obviously sarcastic, but yeah, fun for the future. Because right now I'm already feeling the effects of the fact that even though I get good sleep, my body feels tired by 9 o'clock in the morning. Nighttime, no stationary spend. The joys of getting older. Habits: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. See, yeah, habits need a longer timeline. And then I can add tasks here, because tasks really only need a couple of lines, and then I'll do an underline for habits. And then here will be my workouts. So see, I am able to adapt my layout if need be. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It works. See, even that spacing. So I actually could have maybe put a sticker here, but I feel like it's too much now. I'm okay with where everything is, but I also love that ink. That ink is fantastic. Let's see. I could. No, you don't, Karina. You don't need to put another sticker down. No, you don't. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's just leave it for now. And then we'll do my work schedule. Where's my pen? It's chaotic. Plan with me's. They are chaotic. Well, chaotic for me. Okay, work. My work schedule. I blanked out there for a second. I'm like, what day am I looking at? Because I'm filming this actually Monday after work. And then I have therapy appointment actually very shortly here. Lucy, now you decide to come. And work schedule this week is generally the same, except for Wednesday. Start earlier because Henry has a birthday party. Because it's also their last day of school. Then Thursday is also 8:30 to 5. And then I have a dinner with a friend. Friday, back to the usual. Saturday, no more swimming for Henry. Henry's last swimming lesson was last Saturday. So I have brunch with a friend. And then I have a massage at 2:20. Sunday, Henry still has badminton. I feel like I'm missing something. That's okay. All right. See, I've just said that my Pilot Vanishing Point is my planner pen, and I have not used it yet. But no, that's okay, because I end up using it for filling in my to-do lists. I do all of the prep work of my plan with me with a lovely ink, and then throughout the week, this is the pen that I use. Okay, so my to-do lists for each day, starting with today, I need to meal plan and order groceries. And also, oh, I need to, well, film this plan with me. And then there's 3 more orders that I need to work on. If I'm not able to get them today, then I'll do them tomorrow. I still have quite a few to get through, and I appreciate your patience for those who ordered. Finish 3 orders. One of the things I just remembered for my task list is to submit 2 receipts to Sun Life. Okay. Tuesday, I have to complete the waiver. I need to, and then we need to put out the garbage. Wednesday is the kids' last day of school. I need to take last day of school pictures. Then Thursday, Rob is picking up the groceries. I am also forgetting that I need to film inks 10, 11, and then 12 through 15. I am figuring out what I need to film for that day. Still need to figure that out. I don't know what I'm putting out that day yet. Maybe my monthly journal. I think that was the plan, was film. You know what? I'm going to leave that blank for now because I still don't know. And then Friday, blank. Oh, and I need to wash bed linens. And then Saturday, cleaning. So I have to do the bathrooms. My husband does the vacuuming in the windows. Then Henry, I'm training him to do his room as well as the door handles and light switches. I need to also pick up our race kit for Canada Day. And then Sunday, I think I will leave blank. So now for the weather. This stamp is from AliExpress, and I've left a link in the description below. So this week looks like it's actually supposed to be lovely. It's sunny today. Tomorrow is sun and cloud. Wednesday it's cloudy. Thursday it's raining. Okay, I spoke too soon. Wait. Oh, Friday it's raining, not Thursday. Oh well. Saturday is sun and cloud, and then Sunday is sunny. Oh, I love how the colors match. That doesn't always happen. Okay, get that out of the way. So the actual temperature today is, the high is 14 with a low of 8. So not that warm. High of 21. I don't know if you heard, but it did snow in some parts of Alberta over the weekend, like over in Banff. It snowed, well, in the mountains, yeah. 12 degrees Celsius. Yeah, snow in June doesn't ever surprise me anymore. Thursday, 22, low of 12. For those who wonder why I write the weather, it just helps me plan out the week. 20, low 13. Like right now it's sunny, but this morning it was raining. Saturday, high of 21. Oh, that's going to be lovely for going for brunch. A low of 12. And then Sunday, high of 23 with a low of 12. Lovely day. All right. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add to that. I think that's so pretty. Really pretty, but also that ink is outstanding. Really, really outstanding. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.